Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos in CapCut. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the CapCut app on your device and tap New Project. In this tutorial, I will be using one of the stock videos, so tap Stock Videos and select any video you prefer. Tap Add to begin editing. If you want to cut the video, let it play to the point where you want to cut it. Pause. Tap the video and tap Split. After the video is cut, you can delete either side. To do so, select the one you want to delete and tap Delete. To undo your actions, tap the undo icon. Now tap the part you want to edit and tap Speed. Here, tap Normal. You can slow down or speed up the video. Next, tap Volume to adjust the volume in the video. Moving on to animations. You can add various animations to selected parts of your video. Just tap In, Out, or Combo and select the one you prefer. To remove the background of your video, tap Remove Background. If you only want the audio from your edit, tap Extract Audio. Now, as you can see, most of the edits are similar to other video editing apps. So we will just go through them briefly. You can edit, add filters, adjust the brightness or contrast. You can also enhance your video or add a mask. Furthermore, you can stabilize your video, control the opacity level, add voice effects, copy sections of your video, reverse the video, and even freeze sections of your video. And that's how you edit in CapCut. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.